loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a haul, kind of like a little bit of everything. I have some makeup, hair products, clothes, a bag, you know, and my hair is bothering me right now. I didn't brush it out after curling it, so let's just kind of ignore it. So anyways, don't want this video to be super long, so we'll just go ahead and get started. Alright, so first up are hair accessories. You guys know in my past, I don't even know, 2 videos that I did, I mentioned that I'm like obsessed with hair accessories. I'm wearing my favorite headband right now, which is just like a simple thin pearl headband. I don't know, I just always grab this. But this is so beautiful. This headband is kind of what started it all. It just came in though. It was like on pre-order for the longest time and it finally came and I love it. I've been wearing it non-stop since I got it. I just think it's so beautiful. So it is from Lily Sadahi. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. And this is the petite headband, the blush with the pearls. It's so beautiful, you guys. So it is like this velvet light pink color with pearls on it. It's just stunning. Again, I have worn this so many times already. I'm like obsessed with it. It's so comfortable on the head. It stays on and it's just a beautiful headband. I like this size. I have like their normal size in jet black. I like that one, but I really like the petite size more, I think. So I'm hoping they do come out with more of the petite headbands like this in different colors. I would love it so much. I just feel like the black, like the size of the normal headbands that they have sometimes, are a little bit too big for me. So really love the petite. I'm thinking about getting the black with the stars on it next. We'll see. So that's that one. And then I went to Ulta last weekend and purchased a few things. So this one's from Scrunchie. I really like this. It's like nudie and just love the neutral color. And I'm always, I don't know, I bought a bunch of these maybe last year and for some reason I only have one left. So I'm like, okay, let me just buy 2 more. And I only use them like whenever I do my hair in the bathroom, but for some reason they just disappear on me. And then, oh my gosh, I saw these in stores and I fell in love. The brand is, I don't know what the brand is. It doesn't say. But there weren't as many in stores. Like they were almost all sold out, to be honest. But I picked up 3 things. So this one is Amethyst. That's what it's called. This was $12. And it's really nice. Like it's actually like heavy. Like has weight to it. So it's like this gold metal piece and then it has amethyst. I'm guessing that's amethyst right there. It's really pretty. I think it's on both sides. Yeah, it's on both sides and I'm excited to wear this. I do wear my hair half up a lot, so that's gonna be really nice. And then this one I thought was really pretty. This one says How Light. So this one's a little bit like, you know, simpler. So you get like just a simple gold one right here. And then you get these. I think these are stones as well. I'm not sure. And then this one's just like clear beads. So I thought that was really pretty. And last but not least, I got this one. This is rose quartz and I thought this was so beautiful. I can't wait to wear this. So one's kind of like a lighter pink and this one is kind of like this mauve color, I guess you would say. And they're just like little clips like that. So really cute for like summer or something. From Walmart. I needed more of this. I mentioned this in my favorites video. I love this so much. It's the Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Detangling Milk. It's the Haute Delicacy one, so the pink line. Love this for just making my hair feel nice and smooth and soft. And it, like the name says, it is a detangling milk, so it does a great job on detangling my hair. This really helps out my hair. I love this so much. And then I went into Sephora. I haven't been to a Sephora in forever. I think the last time I purchased something from Sephora was literally a year ago when I purchased all my Dior skincare when I was pregnant. So anyways, went in this time and purchased a few things. I really needed a new foundation. Like my favorite liquid foundation is the Dior Backstage foundation and I actually have this in the color 4W. This was my shade last year, but as you can see, it is too dark for me right now, so I cannot wear this. So yeah, I wanted a new foundation. So I actually was gonna get the same one, but I wanted to try something different. So this is the Dior Forever Skin Glow. I have the normal Dior Forever foundation, but I thought like for spring and summer, I wanted something a little bit more dewy. So I got this Skin Glow, and I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. I got this in the color 3N, so it matches me really good right now. It's a little bit dark, but we're going somewhere warm next month, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get tan, so then it will be perfect, because I do get tan right away. So yeah, I mean, I'm wearing it right now and it looks fine, right? So that's that. I'm in the color 3N. I could have definitely gone a shade lighter, but this will be perfect, I think. So anyways, yeah, Skin Glow, it says it's 24-hour wear, radiant perfection, skin caring foundation with sunscreen. Let's see how much. It has SPF 50, lasting hydration. Yeah, it looks really good. I am very excited about it so far. Other things I purchased at Sephora. I really wanted this because I wanted to try the lip scrub, but I didn't want to buy the full size just yet because I wasn't sure if I love it or if I would like it. So I ended up purchasing kind of like this little mini kit, I guess you would say. So it's by Fresh, and it has the lip polish, the lip treatment, advanced therapy, and the rose tinted lip treatment with SPF 15. So I'm excited for this. This was only $25. You can get 3 different things, so I can't wait to try that out. And then I did purchase this guy from Dior. I love Dior, and I have quite a collection of their lip gloss. Like, I'm obsessed with these. I got it in the color Hollow Rose Gold. Oh my goodness, this is stunning. I will definitely swatch it for you guys so you can see all the glitter and shimmer. It's beautiful. I love this so much. You can wear it over anything and your lips will just feel nice and like hydrated, and you'll have a little bit of shimmer on it. It's beautiful. So I got this. I actually have number 10, which is Hollow Pink. That's beautiful too, but I love this one. I feel like this one has so much more, I guess, glitter and shimmer to it. It's so beautiful. So definitely check this one out. All right, and then I got suckered into 2 things at the checkout line. So let's see, let's start with this one. So this is the Natasha Denona mini palette. This is the mini nude palette. It is stunning, you guys. I swatched it and it was just so beautiful. It's like creamy and buttery and I love it. So I've already kind of used it a little bit, but this is the shades. Look at that. Oh my gosh, these right here are so creamy and buttery, like the glittery ones. So beautiful. So I can't wait to like play around with this some more and just, I love it. And I love how it's so tiny. It's like great for traveling. It's perfect. So I love the shades in this. It's like definitely like my go-tos. Beautiful, beautiful palette. So I got that. I believe that was $25. I could be wrong. And then I got this. You guys, I don't even wear falsies like that often or at all really. Like last time I've worn falsies was maybe last year or something. Like I haven't worn falsies in forever, but I saw this and I thought it was beautiful. And yeah, so this is from the brand Velour. And you can see the lashes right there. It's so beautiful and it says no trimming needed. So I'm excited to just like pop this on and we're good to go. So it came with glue and the tweezers. It's just so beautiful. I believe this was $29 for this little kit. Kind of excited about it. So I can't wait to try that out. Maybe I'll do like a video with all these new things that I got. Let me know if that's something you guys want to see. So that's everything that I have picked up from Sephora. Now on to the clothing that I have picked up in the past, I want to say like 2 to 3 weeks. All of these but one I purchased online. So the only thing I purchased online was this. This is from the Crystal Lim collection. Oh my gosh, when she posted that this is going to be in her collection, I think like a few months back or something, I knew I had to have it. So I literally waited until launch time and purchased it right away, and it is my favorite top. Like I love it. It's so beautiful. It's really nice and feminine. The quality is amazing and it fits so nice. Like I love this so much. It's definitely my favorite top for spring and summer. I guess I'm obsessed. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I love the sleeves. It's just so beautiful. Like, this is kind of like a sweater material, but it is thin enough that you can definitely wear it like spring and summer, you know? So yeah, it's just such a beautiful piece. I believe it's sold out. Like, it's sold out the same day it came out, I believe. But such a beautiful top. Next, I got 2 jeans from Hollister. I haven't shopped at Hollister in forever, you guys. I'm 28 years old. I feel like I shouldn't shop there anymore, but I saw that they were having a sale on their jeans. These were $29 each, and they fit so good. I love them, and I really like how it's really, really high-waisted. So usually I wear a 1S, but I sized up to 3S, and I'm thinking like after I actually wash these, they will shrink a little bit and then it'll be perfect. I mean, right now they fit really good, but a little bit loose. So yeah, but after washing, I just know it's gonna be perfect. So I got it, I got this color, kind of like a dark denim, and it just fits so good. So this is the high-rise jean legging, and it's so good. So I got it in this color, kind of like dark wash, and then I also got it in black. And I love how the black does not have any rips whatsoever. It's beautiful. So yeah, I got them in 3S, and I think after washing it, they're gonna be like super, super perfect. Oh my gosh, this jacket is so beautiful, you guys. I found this at the store Apricot Lane. It's just a pink suede kind of like moto jacket. It's so pretty. I got it on such a good deal too. It was on clearance for $25, and it's so pretty. I freaking love this so much. Could not pass it up. The brand is Jack by BB Dakota. It's just beautiful. I love it. Yeah, so that's that. I got a really good deal on that. I got one thing from Victoria's Secret. It was on clearance. I really wanted it for some reason. Look at that. Yes. This was, I think, $20. Is it worth $20? Probably not, but it's sequiny. So I got that from Victoria's Secret. 3 kind of like tank tops from Kohl's. These were only, how much was it? Really cheap. I already washed them, so I don't have the tags on them, but they were, I want to say, like, this one was $3. It's like a velvet camisole, just black. Really nice, just for layering or something. And then these were $1.70, something like that. Oh my gosh, so cheap. And I think it's gonna be really cute for summer, just like tucked into either jeans or shorts or even like a skirt. So I got that. This is from the brand Apartment 9. And then I also got this. This is my favorite. I love me kind of like this animal print thing. It's so cute. Apartment 9 as well. Yeah, these were like $2 from Kohl's clearance. Love that. Okay, and then I got a few things from, no, I got one thing from Charlotte Russe. This dress is beautiful. Charlotte Russe is closing. Everything was like literally sold out at the store that I went to, but I found this and I thought it was beautiful. It did come with like a little tie thing on the waist. Let me see if I can find it, but this is what it looks like. It's such a pretty dress. It's like really nice and simple. I think it's gonna be perfect for spring and summer. Love the color, and I love like the button detailing right there on the side. I think it's so pretty. I got this for like $12. Okay, got a few things from Aero. Everything was like 60% off. So I got this top. I thought it was really pretty. Definitely gonna look cute with like either a white skirt or jeans or something like that. Really cute. I do wish I would have sized up, but I mean, it fits fine. It's just after I washed it, it shrunk a little bit and I was like, oh, but it still fits okay. So yeah, I got it in the size small. I think a medium would have been too big, so whatever. But I really love the pattern of this. They have this in white and blue as well, which I think I'm gonna get next because I love that top. It's so comfy. And then, oh my gosh, I saw this at Aero. So I got the pants and the shirt, like it's like a two-piece thing, and I got them a size small. I washed them and it shrunk like crazy. I mean, I can still wear it, you guys will see, but I do wish I would have sized up. But I think after steaming this, it will kind of loosen up the fabric and we'll be okay. Like it'll be fine. So anyways, I really love the pants. Oh my gosh, this was only $15 after like the 60% off discount. Such a good deal, you guys. I love it. And then the top looks like this. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, definitely I wish I would have sized up, or I wish I would have been paying attention when washing it and drying it, but that's okay. All right, I got a few things from Forever 21. I love these guys. These are bodysuits from Forever 21, and they're so nice. So I got this white one. I also got it in black, but that's in the wash, but this is the white. This was $10 for the white, and then I got the nude, and the nude is $9, $9.90. I don't know why there's a difference, but they're exactly the same. So the nude is $9.90, the white is $10.90, and I believe the black was also $9.90. Why is the white one $1 more? I don't know. Okay, I also purchased this from Forever 21. It's just like a little, ooh, there's hair on it. A little bralette. This was $9. But like, look at all the tags. Oh my god. You need to cut all that off. So anyways, just a comfy bra. And oh my gosh, I saw these at Forever 21. It's so, so cute. These jeans, they're called the Harper Pant Belted Skinny. And this was on sale for $15. Had to get it. I love the color. I think it's going to be really, really nice for spring and summer. Oh my gosh, I'm all about this right now. I love this so much. Such a good deal too. And there's like cute little pockets on the back, or fake pockets on the back. I just love it. And I do like that it came with a belt. I think that's a really nice touch. And the last thing I wanted to share is this bag right here. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. I saw this at Kohl's and I'm like, ooh, I really want that. Like, I have seen this bag online, you know, it's all over the place, but I wanted to like be able to touch it before buying it. So when I saw it at Kohl's, I'm like, ooh, let me just check it out, and I really, really like it. It's like the perfect size, and it's just super cute. So I'm definitely gonna bring this on our trip next month. But I just love the color. Like, it's this light, I don't know what this material is, but I like how it's lighter. And then I love that the handles and then the strap is this color. It's kind of like this beigey color, kind of like purpley tone. And even the lining is kind of like this light purpley beigey color. And the inside, there's a zipper compartment right there and also a pocket. And it's just lined really well. Like, I'm obsessed with this. So this is from the Lauren Conrad line from Kohl's. I believe this was, it's like 40 something, I think. And then it was 30% off. Plus I had a coupon, so, or was it like $50? I don't know what the original price is, but with all my coupons and the sales and everything, I only paid $20 for this, which is such a good deal. Like, I love this. And like, did I mention it's rose gold, like the hardware? And this is detachable. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm probably gonna end up punching a few more holes on the straps just so I can wear it a little bit shorter, but other than that, this bag is perfect. Like, I'm so excited to wear this all spring and summer. It's so beautiful. So that is it, you guys. That wraps up my little haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I apologize if it's a little bit too long. I like to kind of ramble about things, especially like makeup and stuff. So yeah. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Please do give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And subscribe if you haven't. Thanks so much. And I'll see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.